So we've accomplished this first part, find which arts have coordinates. Let's just stick our comments up here. Now I'd say if we have any arts chords, make an image URL. If points, image URL equals, let's call this gmaps image. And that's going to take some points. And guess what? You get to write this function. What I'd like you to do is implement this function, gmaps image. It's going to take a list of points. Now, in the ASCII-Charm program, there's going to be these Google GeoPoint objects, but since we don't have access to that in the IDE, I made a fake point class that just has two properties, lat and long. So it should work the same way as a Google point does. And I made a little fake list of points here that we'll be testing with, and we'll also throw you some other ones. And you should generate a URL that looks like this. These parameters are all fixed, the size and the sensor, and you can have a template URL here. And then what you need to do is you need to add these marker parameters to the end of this URL and return it. Shouldn't be too bad. Good luck.